Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video I will show you how to buy USDT on Binance using the credit/debit card. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is to go over to Binance and log in. Now, once you're logged in, you need to go over to Buy Crypto in the top left, and then you want to click on credit/debit card. You'll then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one, and the first thing you need to select on this page is the fiat currency you would like to buy USDT with. So for me, this will be the euro, but you can select any of the available currencies right here. But like I said, I'll go ahead and click on euro. Now, once you have filled in the spent currency, you can now go ahead and click on BTC. Here, you need to search for USDT, and then the last and final thing you need to do is to fill in the amount of euro or fiat you would like to spend on buying USDT. So for me, that will be 150 euros. And as you can see, for 150 euros, I will receive 176 USDT. So once you've filled in everything you need to fill in, the last and final thing you need to do is to click on continue. You'll then see the card you will be using for your payment. For me, this will be the Visa/MasterCard. But if you would like to change or add a new card, you can click on change card and then click on add new card. The name will be locked, but other than that, you can fill in your card number, the expire date and the security code. And once you fill that in, you can click on next, and you'll then need to go through step 2, and that is verifying your card. You can also delete your card by clicking on this garbage button. And once you have added your new card, you can click on confirm, select the card right here, and then click on continue. You'll now have to fill in your secure code. So once you've filled in that code, all that's left to do is to click on confirm. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.